Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creme brulee. Let's begin by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 6 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of rich heavy cream. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance those wonderful flavors. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results in our delicious dessert. Now let's create that silky smooth custard base. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until they are light, pale, and beautifully creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently warm the heavy cream with the vanilla and salt until it just begins to simmer, but never boil. Then, slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent them from cooking too quickly. Next, we move to the baking process. Carefully pour your prepared custard into 4 to 6 individual ramekins, filling each about 3/4 of the way. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then add hot water to the dish, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once baked, chill them for at least 4 hours or, even better, overnight. Finally, the exciting brulee finish. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each chilled custard. Now, grab your kitchen torch and carefully caramelize the sugar until it transforms into a beautiful, crisp amber crust. Let it cool for just a few minutes to harden. Serve immediately to savor that incredible contrast of the warm, crunchy topping and the cool, creamy custard below. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.